Hey guys, it's me, J-Mac the Red Island Shaver, and today we're going to do a shaverage and an unboxing. If you like the sounds of that, stay tuned. Greetings, friends, and welcome to my kitchen with me, J-Mac the Red Island Shaver. And oh boy, we got an unboxing today, and I can't wait for this one. The shaverage is coffee because it's like 1:30 in the afternoon. So we're going to have some coffee, and I got me a package that's been on a mystical journey. Ordered this from Smilez for Miles back January 2nd. A custom shave brush. He made it very promptly, very quickly to my specifications and shipped it out, and that's where things went off the rails. It went to LAX, and then it went to, where did it go? It went from LAX to Atlanta, then to Mississauga, Ontario, where it got into the Canadian Postal Service, where it promptly sat for like a week and a couple days. No tracking information, no tracking updates, just item processed, item processed. I checked the tracking today and it said processed in Charlottetown. I was like, ooh, that's good, 'cause that's the town next to mine. And that can be kind of wonky, because sometimes it may be processed there in the early morning, but it doesn't make out to the post office. And then we gotta wait, and we got a snowstorm coming tomorrow. But luckily it showed up. So yeah, can't wait. So let's see what we got in here. We got a sticker. I like stickers. Stickers are very good. And we got a custom Smilez packaging here. So we got some bubble wrap. And we'll get rid of that. And we got a custom brush that's in a box. And let's take a look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, Smilez. Oh, Smilez. There we go. Look at that. That is my custom sake handle. It's shaped like a sake bowl. Oh, that is just stunning. Oh, I like that hand shape too. Look at these big old meat mittens, and that just sits right in there. We have a V69 soft titty motorboat knot, the fan knot, and that beautiful translucent green. Look at that. That looks, so that pops even with the naked eye just as well as it did in the picture. And then we got the wonderful Smilez coin down here in the bottom. Oh boy, Smilez, yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. So I'm gonna be taking this to the den very shortly, and I'm gonna do my break-in period. Not really smelling any funk off this, so what I'm gonna do is I like to do hand lathers. Oh, we got a pin. Is this a pin? It is too. I got a little pin here, a little Smilez for Miles pin. Awesome, Smilez, thank you. So yeah, so what I like to do is I like to do some hand lathers. That's how I break them in. So like just shaving cream and do the hand lathers, replicates face lathering, and once I get that splayed, then it would be going on the face. And like another mail call, it's not here today. It's in Charlottetown. Like I mentioned, it's probably not going to make it out today. Probably not going to make it to the post office tomorrow, but I get a big mail call from PAA, so hopefully the first of the week I will have that, and I will regale you guys with all that goodness. So that'll do it for this one, guys. I am gonna take this to the den and get this broken in and get ready to go on the face. But yeah, Smilez, that's just a killer, gorgeous brush, custom pour. Thank you so much, my brother, and I'll let you guys go. So until next time, my friends, be safe, be kind to one another. Have a great day, need a better shave. Catch you in the next one. Peace.